Hi guys, welcome to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about mini Kellys. I've got 4 to my left here and they are beautiful. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. So the first bag that we're going to be talking about is this Mini Kelly in Rouge Sellier. So this is a Rouge Sellier. It's got gold hardware, which is really a beautiful combination. This is a great bag that can be carried from summer to winter. If you wear it with light neutrals or dark neutrals, it goes really well. I'm wearing black today, and although it doesn't pop, it does look beautiful. This bag pops with creams and beiges. It looks absolutely stunning, and this is made of Chamkila leather. And the next one I'm going to show you is the classic colour combination, black and gold. One of my favourites. I wear black and gold a lot. It really is classy and chic. It's easy to wear, and this bag is very easy to style. You literally can wear it with anything. This is Noir in the Hermes colour range, and this is Chamkila leather. Next up, we have this beautiful jade colour. This is my favourite Hermes green. It's offset on this particular bag with the palladium hardware. In certain cultures, jade is a very lucky colour, and the reason for that is because jade represents prosperity, success and good luck. So this bag is a great bag if you're looking to carry something that can bring you a little bit of luck. And next up, and last but by no means least, we have this beautiful horseshoe stamp Mini Kelly. Now, this is a bi-colour Mini Kelly. It has contrasting stitching. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to bring it closer so you can see just how pretty this bag really is. So the two colours are Rose Azalee and Craie. Both of the bags that I've just showed you, the Jade and the Rose Azalee and Craie bi-colour, are made from Epsom leather. Epsom leather is embossed leather. It's very durable, and it's a preferred leather for those people who like a lighter bag. So of the basic bags that Hermes produce, and when I say basic, I mean that it's not an exotic leather, the Mini Kelly is one of the hardest bags to procure, and the reason for that is, one, they are very sought after, and two, that they don't produce many of them. The Mini Kelly really is a status symbol for you to carry. So the 3 bags, the Rouge Sellier, the Noir and the Bicolour, all come with the regular leather strap with the lovely hooks at the end that you can then make your tiny little bag a crossbody, and you can carry from day to night, whichever way you want to dress it. Whereas the Jade is a new model, it's a new edition model, which comes with a sportier strap. The sporty strap is called a sangle strap, and it's made from cloth, and it has tiny little leather rivets at the end with the attachments that you can then hook onto your bag. The measurements of a Mini Kelly, believe it or not, are different to what people think. People do call this bag a Kelly 20. It's not Kelly 20. This is the new Mini Kelly. The Kelly 20 is the old Mini Kelly. It's very different measurements. This bag measures 19 in width, 12 centimeters in height, and 5.5 centimeters in depth. So which is the best bag to purchase? Now, that can only be decided by you, because a bag is a very personal thing. If I had my choice, I actually couldn't choose between the 4 bags, because for different reasons, each bag is very special. But if somebody twisted my arm and forced me to pick a bag, it would have to be the horseshoe stamp, because getting a horseshoe stamp bag is so rare. They don't come along very often, and for that reason only, that would be my choice. Thank you so much for joining us here today at Love Luxury. I'm Emily Abraham. Don't forget that all of these bags are available to purchase here in our Knightsbridge store in London. We love luxury. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment.